Your jade plant might be silently dying, and most people don't even realize why. This beautiful succulent, also known as jade plant, is often called a money plant for good luck, but without the right care, it can quickly lose its thick, glossy leaves. Are you overwatering it, giving it too little light, or placing it in the wrong spot? In this video, you'll discover the simple but powerful secrets to keeping your jade plant thriving, vibrant, and full of life. Stick around because one small mistake could be holding your plant back from growing into a stunning indoor centerpiece. How to care for a jade house plant tips for growing a jade plant 1. Light requirements. Jade plants love plenty of bright indirect sunlight, guys. Place your jade plant near a south-facing window where it can receive at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. If direct sunlight is too intense, a sheer curtain can help diffuse the light. Rotating the plant occasionally will ensure even growth and prevent it from leaning towards the light. 2. Watering proper. Watering is crucial to prevent root rot. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it's dry, it's time to water. Water thoroughly until it drains out of the bottom, then empty the saucer to avoid standing water. In winter, reduce watering frequency as the plant's growth slows down. Soil and potting well draining soil is essential for jade plants. They won't be able to handle a soil mix that is too stuck and stagnant. Use a cactus or succulent potting mix, or make your own by mixing regular potting soil with sand or perlite. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. Repot every 2 to 3 years to refresh the soil and give the roots more space. Temperature and humidity. Jade plants prefer a warm, dry environment. Keep your jade plant in temperatures between 65-75 degrees, 18-24 degrees during the day and slightly cooler at night. Avoid placing it near drafty windows or doors and keep it away from heaters or air conditioners. Jade plants tolerate low humidity but avoid overly humid areas like bathrooms. Fertilizing. Feed your jade plant sparingly. If you get a heavy hand, it can be too many nutrients for your jade plant to handle. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength. Fertilize once every 3 to 4 months during the growing season, spring and summer. Avoid fertilizing in fall and winter when the plant is dormant. Pruning and shaping. Pruning helps maintain the shape and encourage branching. Use clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears to remove any leggy growth or damaged leaves. Prune just above a leaf node to encourage new branches. Regular pruning keeps the plant compact and enhances its appearance. Pest control. Jade plants are generally pest-resistant but can occasionally attract pests. Specifically, my personal enemy, gnats. Inspect your plant regularly for signs of pests like mealybugs or spider mites. If you spot any, treat the plant with insecticidal soap or a mixture of water and rubbing alcohol. Wipe the leaves gently with a damp cloth to remove pests and keep the plant clean. Propagation. Jade plants are easy to propagate from cuttings, so you can grow as many jade plants as you want to. Here's how to easily propagate a jade plant. Take a healthy leaf or stem cutting and let it dry for a few days to form a callus. Plant the cutting in a well-draining soil mix and water sparingly until roots develop. Place the new plant in a bright location and treat it with the same care as a mature jade plant. Common problems and solutions address. Common issues to keep your jade plant healthy. Let's chat about what a few of those look like. Yellow leaves. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering, so adjust your watering schedule. Wrinkled leaves. Wrinkled leaves might mean the plant needs more water. If the plant becomes leggy, it likely needs more light. Adjusting light exposure and watering habits can resolve these common problems. With these tips, your jade plant will thrive and bring a touch of natural beauty to your home. Happy planting, my friends! And there you have it, everything you need to keep your jade plant healthy, vibrant, and thriving for years to come. With just a little attention to light, watering, and proper care, this beautiful succulent can become a long-lasting part of your home. Remember, patience is key. Jade plants grow slowly, but the results are absolutely worth it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple plant care tips. Let me know in the comments how your jade plant is doing. I'd love to hear your journey. See you in the next video.